Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, for example, you accidentally block this person or block the person. Okay, just go ahead and tap on its profile and go to message. Now here, as you can see, we have the unblock option. Another option is by going to your profile. Right here, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now tap on settings and privacy. Okay. Wait for it to load, and now once it loads, tap on privacy. Okay. Once done, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find blocked accounts. Tap on it, and you will be able to see a list of your blocked accounts right here. So basically, all you have to do, as you can see here, we have the unblock button. So just tap on it to unblock the person. Once done, if you want to clear this list, just go back, go to blocked accounts once more, and the account right here will be cleared. All right, that's basically it. That's how easy it is to unblock someone here on TikTok. But I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.